Friday afternoon. Thanks so much for joining us for 11 News at noon. I'm Lindsay Boach. Happening now, a judge here in Southern Colorado is deciding what sentence to hand down this former funeral home owner, John Halford. He and his wife are accused of improperly storing nearly 200 bodies through their business Return to Nature Funeral Home. Halford's sentencing hearing began at 9 this morning. Dozens of victims in the case are at the El Paso County Courthouse this afternoon, where that hearing is still going on. That's also where 11 News anchor Melissa Henry is joining us live. Melissa, this case began nearly 2 years ago, and today victims could finally see a big chapter of this coming to an end.
Lindsay, we're going back in the courtroom in about 15 minutes, and that's when we expect a judge could tell us what his ruling is. This case, of course, has captured the attention of so many people. This story has been covered across the country since that discovery of nearly 200 bodies was made down in Penrose back in October of 2023. Since then, John Halford and his wife Carrie have both reached plea deals with Colorado's 4th Judicial District Attorney's Office. The terms of that agreement suggest a 20-year prison sentence to be served at the same time as their federal sentences. John Halford has already been sentenced 20 years in federal prison for the financial crimes tied to the case. So many victims feel the state's plea agreement does not offer any justice if the federal and state sentences were to be served at the same time. That's something more than a dozen victims made known to the judge this morning.
Your Honor, 20 years is not enough for the blatant lies, gruesome acts of cruelty, and the choice to continuously victimize the bodies of 198 plus individuals. Yes, the victims were people that had families, friends, co-workers, careers, faith.
Now, many people are asking for the maximum possible sentence under Colorado state law, and that would be a year and a half of prison time for each body that was found in that building in Penrose. Now, total, that would amount to about 300 years of prison time. But the prosecutor also said there are many victims who feel no sentence would be enough. We'll let you know as soon as the judge lets us know his ruling. Live at the El Paso County Courthouse, Melissa Henry, KKTV 11 News.
And when that comes down, we'll send a push alert too, so make sure you have the 11 News app downloaded on your phone. Melissa, thank you.